Welcome to qnawire.
So here in this problem we are given this circular arc and we have to calculate the center of mass of this homogeneous circular arc. Now if you see the figure carefully, we can say that this circular arc is symmetric about the y-axis. So the y-coordinate of the center of mass would be 0. Now next we will be calculating the x-coordinate. For that we will be considering a differential element. Let me show this on the figure. So this is our differential element that we are taking, and let this be dl and the angle made by the differential element be d theta. Now in polar coordinates we have x is equals to r cosine theta and y is equals to r sine theta, where this is r equals to 300 mm, that is given in the equation. Now dl would be equals to, from geometry we can say dl would be equals to r d theta. Now in this case theta is varying from 120 degree to minus 120 degree. So we can say that theta is varying between minus 120 degrees to 120 degree, and in radian we can write it is varying between minus 2 pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3. Now the x coordinate for center of mass is given by the expression x bar is equals to integral x dl over integral dl. Now x we have r cosine theta, so we can plug it here, r cosine theta, and dl we have r d theta, so r d theta divided by dl, integration dl. So dl we have r d theta, so r d theta, and the limit for theta we have minus 2 pi by 3 to pi by 3, so we can plug it here. This is minus 2 pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3, and here also in the numerator minus 2 pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3. Now we can put the values. Now r we have given in the equation as 300 mm, so we can plug it here. Integration minus 2 pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3. R we have 300 cosine theta, and here is this is also r, so r and r will become r square d theta divided by integration minus 2 pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3, and here it will become 300 d theta. Now we're going to integrate this and we'll get 300 whole square. I'm taking outside, and here we'll get sine theta, and the limit is from minus 2 pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3 divided by 300, and here we'll get 2 pi by 3 upper limit minus lower limit, so minus minus will become plus. Now we're going to simplify this and we'll get the answer as 124 mm. Therefore our x coordinate is 124 mm and y coordinate is 0. So this is the final answer for the given problem. I hope you have understood the problem. Thank you.